In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. First and foremost, ensure that you are using the latest version of Cash App. To do this, open the App Store on your device and click on the search icon located at the bottom right corner. Search for the app, and if you find an update button next to the app name, just click on it to ensure you have the latest version installed. If the problem persists, try clearing the app cache. Head to your device settings, scroll down to General, and click on it. Then select iPhone Storage and search for Cash App. Click on it, and on the next screen, click on Offload App. Confirm the action, and once completed, a reinstall button will appear. Click on it to reinstall the app, which may resolve the issue. If clearing the cache didn't help, consider completely reinstalling the Cash App. Follow the on-screen instructions to reach the app page, and then click on Delete App to remove it from your device. After uninstalling, open the App Store again, search for Cash App, and click on the Get button to reinstall it to your device. However, if the problem still persists, it's time to reach out to customer support. Open the Cash App and click on the profile icon in the top right corner, then select Support and click on Something Else. On the screen, click on Cash Card and scroll down to click on Contact Support. Click on Not About a Transaction and then click on Chat to contact customer support. Now here, explain the issue to the Cash App customer support representative and hopefully they will assist you in resolving the problem. And that is how to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.